Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which police check you need and why. That determines the form and processing path. Have your primary ID ready, passport or driver's license, and assemble supporting documents to meet the 100-point ID rule. Once done, choose an accredited provider or the state police portal and create an account if required. Make sure to note fees and acceptable payment methods. This prevents delays. From here, you can begin the online application, upload clear scans, and move to verification. You will fill the application fields carefully, matching names, dates, and addresses to your ID to avoid mismatches. Next, select the correct check type and purpose so employers and agencies receive the right level of information. Upload legible scans or photos of documents and confirm each file. Blurry uploads cause rejects. Then complete payment and note the reference number. Once submitted, watch for email confirmation and any required identity validation. Steps from the provider. You'll get your police check result by email or through your provider's portal. Download or print the certificate and check the validity period and listed findings. If anything is incorrect or your application is rejected, first compare what you submitted to the ID rules. Common problems are name mismatches or unreadable scans. Make sure payment cleared. If issues persist, contact provider support or the police agency with your reference number, and they will advise on revalidation or appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.